What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a cartoon demo dog from Stranger Things. Let's begin today's lesson on the top right side of a page with the top edge of the head. So we start right up here, start with a curve that goes up. It's going to round out the head and then bring that down. Let's pull this back in towards the head. It's going to come up and then bend that in. Now layer another flap on top. From this point, we'll step up, come around, and then in, and we'll pull that back, going out, and just bring that up towards the head. Now we're going to tuck one more panel underneath, stepping over, curve this down, and then in, go across the bottom of the head, and pull that up. Now from here, we're going to draw the back side of the mouth. Starting from this point, just going to taper this in, right above there, bring this down, and then across. Let's tuck this back in, coming in, then up. Now we come down to this point and just tuck this up underneath the head. Let's add a hole on top of the head. Starting out here, come down, then across. From the end, we'll step in, curve this up, and then down, and we'll fill that area in black. Now from here, we're going to work our way across the back. From this line, we're going to step up, curve the back going up, and then bring that down. Let's add another curve. From here, curve this up, all the way across, and then down. Now you want to add a fold underneath the neck, coming in and then up. Now from here, let's draw on the front leg. From the neck, we're going to step over, curve this around in towards the neck, and then bend that back out towards the left. Let's add an overlap, coming down and then across. Now we're going to draw on the back side of the leg, starting up here, bend this across, and then down, and then in. And then we'll bring the leg coming down towards the foot. Bring this across, and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll work our way across towards the first claw. And down and in. So round up the first claw going up, bring that down towards a point. Connect the inside to that point with a curve. Let's layer two more claws in behind. From the top, go up, and then down, and we'll tuck that back in. Let's do that one more time. Now in between the claws, we draw the top of the toe going up and then down. And from the top of the last claw, go up, bring that down towards the top of the foot. Now I'm going to go back up to this joint, curve the leg coming out and then down in behind the foot. Now I'm going to go in and draw the rib cage along the bottom. Let's start from the outside of the arm, bend this out, and then up. Step in, curve the second rib coming down, and up. And do that one more time. Let's close off the front of the body with a curve. Now you want to draw that same leg in behind the head. So we'll start with the elbow. Start by curving down towards the elbow. Draw this curve coming across toward the front, and bring that down towards the heel. Let's add those toes and claws. In, and we'll curve the top of the first claw, close off the bottom. Let's add two more claws in behind. Now I'm going to separate the toes. Top, and draw the top of the foot coming back in. We go to the top of the foot and curve this up and then in behind the head. Now we're going to go back up to the top and finish off the back. We step up, curve this across, and then bring that down. Let's add another fold. Going up, it's going to work our way around the back leg, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to fold the leg coming back in, come down and out, round up the back leg, coming down towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to draw that same foot along the bottom. Come down and across towards the first claw. Curve the claw coming up and then down. And it pulls off the bottom. Let's add 2 more claws in behind. Now we're going to separate the toes. Draw the top of the foot going across and then down. Now we want to go back underneath the rib cage and draw the front of the leg. Start by curving this across and down toward the knee. Then it's in and then up. This close off the front of the leg, coming down on top of the foot. Now let's go to the inside of the leg, curve this in, and then bend that up. Now we can draw the hind leg in behind. From here, bend this out, and then down, and down, and then across. Let's draw that same leg, coming down towards the bottom of the foot, round up the bottom of the foot, coming out towards the claw. Now I'm going to add 3 claws in behind. Do that one more time. Just draw the top of the toes and the top of the foot. Now we'll see the front of the hind leg on the right side of the arm. Just going to curve this around, come down toward the inside, and pulls off the top of the leg. And now I'm going to add a short tail along the back side. Start with a curve coming down and out, and we'll bring that back in. Now you want to add a little bit more detail to the head. Let's start by adding some webs in between. Start down here and use an ultra fine marker, and across, step up, just taper this towards the center, and then up. Let's add a few more across the top. Also want to close off the edge of the mouth. Now I'm going to add some webs across the back side. I want to add some hanging down the bottom of the mouth, going back up. Few drips underneath the head, and then we'll surround the top of the back with these spots. And after adding a few more spots across the legs, we'll be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a cartoon Demodog from Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.